Hey, this JD and FIA. I was just having fun with the 4-6-5 progression there, but I really want to show you this chord move here. A way to get to that 4. All right, so what we're doing. We're playing anytime we're playing a song, we're in the key of F sharp or G flat for this instance. But anytime we're playing a song, take for instance, we were playing Spirit Breakout in this key. Something like that. You gotta get to that 4 right there. 4, 6, 5. Then it goes to the 2. Just trying to keep it simple. Alright, going to my 4. Alright, anytime I go into that 4, I can throw this walk down either way. Depending on how you want to do it. So takes me right back to the 4. Alright, so what I'm doing, I'm playing a D flat minor 7, C sharp minor 7, minor 9 rather. Alright, left hand. So the screen is calling sharps. Alright, so I will call flat. So you have both. The sharps, if you want the sharps, you can look at the screen. If you want the flats, you can look at the, listen to me. Alright, so we got D flat, A flat, in my left hand, right hand, B, E flat, E, A flat. Alright, next chord, depending on which one you want to play. Alright, so we're going to start with the basic one. Alright, the most basic one first. You're going to play C and G on your left hand. Right hand, you're going to play B flat, E flat, E, B flat. Alright, that's going to give you a sharp 9 chord. C7 sharp 9. Alright, So when you go from the D flat to the C, the only thing you're doing is moving the B and the A flat up to the B flat and B flat, and you're keeping the E flat and E. So you got there. Alright. Then you're gonna go to your 4 chord, however you want to play it. Alright, this instance I played G flat major over B. B, G flat or F sharp and B. In my left hand, right hand, C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, or D flat, G flat, B flat. Or you can play however you want to play that 4 chord. So if you want to play that 4 chord like that, you probably want to bring that chord down. The only difference is instead of taking that A flat up to the B flat like that, I'm bringing that A flat to the G. Alright? That takes me to that same B major 7. I could also play that A right there. So alright, so yeah. Hope that helped. If you got any questions, please let me know. Thanks.